Thank you very much for joining us. We had a great day we think it's quite a success. We had for everything, we had plan A and B and C, and we only used plan A. So
That is a success.
yes, that was great.
Thank you for being with us today, and thank you for advocating for less taboos and more fun and more pleasure. And we hope you could take away something from today. We achieved something, and I'm really happy and I'm really proud of our whole team.
Ha 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 ha!